I'm just getting out of a session. Hence, bedhead hair. I don't know, crazy hair that's out of control. I really wanted to do this video as soon as I walked out. Like, they literally left, like, I don't know, 3 minutes ago. And I wanted to share something that I thought would be important to just address out there in the world. People that either are clients, you may have experienced this, or especially practitioners. I'm looking at you right now. So when you and I share a client, it's going to be really tricky. I hear stories from clients that say, well, this practitioner, they don't give names, like, this practitioner, is okay with X, Y, and Z. So some of you all clients move cities, and so you move to San Antonio. And then I'm imagining people that move out of San Antonio and go to other cities. So boundaries are different. Each practitioner gets to decide what their boundaries are. And because I'm really big on intention, so what the intention is behind the touch, it's really important to me. So my boundaries aren't always so really strict, like specific body parts, like do not touch this part. Because if the client's intention in that, with that body part, and I'll be specific in a second, is not sexual, it doesn't feel like it needs to have such a strong boundary. So for me, I'll just be vulnerable here. Breast tissue is really tricky. I'm guessing every person that has breasts, they have different sized breasts, and they can kind of get in the, in the way, not in the way. They don't get in the way. I mean, they're just there. So I can imagine if you're, spooning someone holding them, or if, certain hands cross into certain spots, that, yes, breast tissue is touched, and I don't judge. Like, if you're a practitioner that's cool with, someone's hand on your tissue at some place, maybe especially on the side here, I could see that being a thing. And I also see practitioners saying, do not touch my breasts. They're, out of no bound, like whatever it is, it's a boundary. So again, for me especially as well, I don't get aroused with pretty much any touch in a session, unless if my mind goes there. If I want to, I could, but I prepare my sessions in such a way mentally that I don't feel any arousal. So again, another part of my body is my booty, back here, this stuff, and it's larger than I would say most people that have this kind of body. And again, it's very possible that someone's hands may land on my butt, and it's okay. Like, I just check in with intention. If that intention is that they're just there to be, just to set their hand there, or even just like a slight caress, just like they would caress my arms, it's okay to caress the side of my hips or my thighs. That might be a boundary for another practitioner, and that's where it gets tricky. So when, if someone sees me and then goes to someone else and says, well, I saw another practitioner that lets me touch their hips and the side of their butt, their butt cheek or their thighs. You get to decide. Each practitioner gets to decide what their boundaries are. And there was one time a client said that he had a practitioner, they were wearing like not lingerie, but like maybe a nightie. And I was like, yeah, so I don't do that. And that's okay. Again, in the pro cuddle world, we want to maintain definitely some standards around clothing, but I can't control what other people do. And so if you're a client and you're, again, jumping around different clients, and you notice that one practitioner allows for that they wear whatever, again, just understanding that each practitioner is going to have different boundaries. And as practitioners, like, I guess I'm just asking y'all, we can be cool with each other, that it's okay, knowing that each of us has boundaries and they may be really, really different. So yeah, today I had that in the session, acknowledging that the client, that like butt juiciness was kind of like part of the session they had before me. And I'm actually okay with that, but I'm just thinking, wow, I wonder if from here, if they were to see someone else, that might be really a big trigger and a boundary, and that's okay. So this is why it's just really tricky, how we all manage this. I just wanted to throw that out there into the world. Okay, I think I'm done. Love y'all.